What if I told you a simple daily supplement performed almost identically to a prescription pain medication in dogs with arthritis in a peer-reviewed clinical trial? And not in 6 months, not in 90 days, in just 30 days? Most people assume arthritis in dogs can only be managed with anti-inflammatory drugs. But there's a growing body of research exploring something very different, not just suppressing pain, but actually modulating the immune response behind joint damage itself. Today, I'm breaking down a randomized, controlled clinical trial that tested exactly that, and the results surprised a lot of people. What the study actually was, this wasn't anecdotal. This was a peer-reviewed, randomized controlled trial published in a top-tier veterinary journal. Researchers took dogs diagnosed with osteoarthritis and split them into 2 groups. One group received 40 milligrams of Undenatured type 2 collagen, UC2, daily. The other received Robenacoxib, a prescription non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug, NSAID. The study ran for 30 days, measuring mobility, comfort, and overall joint function. The results after just 1 month. Dogs receiving UC2 improved mobility by 32.7%. Dogs on the prescription medication improved by 31.5%. That's not a small difference. That's statistically comparable performance. Even more interesting, no adverse effects were reported in either group, but UC2 achieved these results without acting like a traditional drug. Why this is different? Here's where it gets important. Prescription anti-inflammatories, like Robenacoxib, work by blocking inflammatory pathways, essentially reducing pain signals. UC2 works completely differently. It uses a mechanism called oral tolerance. In simple terms, it introduces tiny amounts of undenatured collagen to the immune system, helping it recognize joint cartilage as self instead of something to attack. So instead of just suppressing inflammation, it may help reduce the immune-driven damage at the source. What most people miss, this doesn't mean UC2 replaces medication in every case. The study found something critical. Dogs with severe arthritis responded better to the prescription drug. Dogs with mild to moderate arthritis saw strong benefits from UC2. That distinction matters, because it tells me this isn't about one versus the other. It's about using the right tool at the right stage. Why this matters for a lot of pet owners: long-term NSAID use comes with concerns, especially for older dogs. So having something that can support joint health, improve mobility, and potentially reduce reliance on medication over time is a big deal. Transition to product. That's exactly why formulations like Mobility Matrix include UC2, not as a gimmick, but as part of a multi-pathway approach to joint health. Because real joint support isn't just about one ingredient. It's about supporting cartilage, connective tissue, muscles, and inflammation pathways together. The takeaway? This isn't hype. It's published clinical data showing that a non-drug approach can deliver meaningful results, especially in the earlier stages of arthritis. And that opens the door to smarter, more proactive joint care. Please sign Shadow's petition to have Librela, Silencia, Lenivia, Portela banned. Sign here. https://hng.it/v8tjfy xv7r